Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use LegalZoom as your registered agent. First is add registered agent service during information. If you're forming an LLC, corporation, or nonprofit through LegalZoom, when prompted during the online setup, select the LegalZoom as your registered agent. 2 is to switch to LegalZoom if already formed. If you already have a business, sign in to your LegalZoom account and choose registered agent service under the Run Your Business. Third is to receive and manage documents. LegalZoom receives all states and legal mail onto your behalf, and you'll get notified. And the LegalZoom also provides compliance alerts for filing deadlines and requirements. And then stay compliant. LegalZoom helps you stay in good standing with, like for example, an annual report, state compliance tips, and a prompt document delivery. And then after that, you'll get also a secure online access, multi-state coverage, and no need to update your personal address when moving. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.